So the first step in building a web app is to understand your why and your project motivation. Now just hear me out for a second. A strong why leads to strong results. A weak why leads to weak results. If you're building a startup, you need to figure out if your project is worth building. Who is your audience? Why should an investor invest in you and your idea? If you're a computer science student, what tech skills are you trying to learn? Would a recruiter or a hiring manager think your project is impressive? If your friend asks you why you're building out your project and you can't answer it clearly, you either need to reevaluate your idea or take a step back and reevaluate your why. For me, my first why is that I want to build in public and to teach software engineering skills. I want to build in public because too many times I get questions like, how do I build a project? Or where do I start? And I wanted to share what I've learned throughout the years so that I can give you a step-by-step guide on how to start and how to finish. And my second why is that I wanted to relearn visual computing because that was my specialization when I studied computer science in college. If I were to go back to work, I want to have enough skills to where going into the visual computing industry is a viable option for me. So by building out a web app revolved around visual computing, I'm able to build a project that I can add to my resume and so that I can teach y'all what I learned and build in public. So now that you know my why, I challenge y'all to take a moment and think, what is your why and your motivation? Understanding your why and your motivation is going to help you when you're down in the dumps trying to root cause a bug, and it's going to give you the motivation to finish out the project. It's going to be your North Star to guide you in the right path for when you need to make design decisions and trade-offs. So just remember, a strong why leads to strong results, and follow for part 2.